So this is the terminal digit worksheet that you have, and if you read the information above, you actually understand exactly what it is that you're doing. So if you have voucher numbers, you can see these are from lowest to highest, 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 9. Well, not quite, but anyway. So the location with consecutive numbering means everything's going to go from the lowest to the highest, and you can see 209, 208. These need to be in consecutive order. So they would actually find a shelf number that these numbers would fall under. Then you also have the middle digit and you have the terminal digit. So the middle digit is going to be the middle number that you see, and the terminal digit is going to be the last number that you see. So if I take these numbers here, these are the numbers I'm going to use for all 3 columns. So I'm just going to take this one and I'm going to sort it from A to Z. Okay. So it automatically puts these numbers in there for me. I'm just going to do a Control C, but I'm going to click Undo, put them back in the order that they were. Then I'm going to do Control V because I've sorted them here. So you can see the smallest to largest number. Okay. So for terminal digit, I had the first number in there for you with the last 2 digits highlighted so that you would know that's the terminal digit. So, but what I'm going to do is actually go over these so you can see that, let me get my paperwork here. First thing it tells us to do in our instructions is to add a 0 to the beginning of the number. So we have to add a 0. So if I look over here and look at just the last 2 digits down here, I can see that there's a 0, 0. So if I do 0, 2, 6, 0, 0, 0, and make sure that you put it in spaces and make sure you put a 0. If you do not put a 0, I will count it wrong. Okay? So the next one is going to be, we've got a 1, 0, and we got actually 2 1 zeros. We've got a 2, 7, 4, 1 or 2, 7, 1, 1. So I'm going to go 02 space 7, 1 space 1, 0. The next one would be 02 space 7, 4 space 1, 0. Alright, so now we're going to work with the middle digits. So we're just going to look at the digits that's in the middle. So this would be the second and third numbers here. Okay, there's a 13. 13 looks like the highest, the lowest number. So we're going to put 0, 2, 13, 27. So that's our middle digit starting from lowest to highest. The second one would be something that's just higher than a 13. I'm looking through my numbers. It looks as though 60 is going to be the next number. 02, 60, 00. Okay, we'll do one more. So 01, 67, 54. So notice that even though these numbers 2 and 1 may not fall into place, or the last digits may not fall into place, we're only looking at the middle digits on each of these from lowest to highest. Same thing for terminal. We're only looking at the last 2 digits, lowest to highest. We don't really worry about any other part of the number. But you do have to make sure you put a 0 in front for these 2, and you have to put a space in between to break the numbers up so that you can clearly see what the terminal digit is and what the middle digit is. So again, you're just putting them in consecutive order, from lowest to highest, from consecutive, from smallest to largest, using all 5 numbers, and from lowest to highest with just the last 2 numbers, and from lowest to highest with the 2 middle numbers. So I hope this will help you, and just fill in those numbers. Make sure you read this information so you understand exactly why we're doing this.